This video will show you how to create a bundled listing. So at this point you've already created listings for rent or sale or listings as services. Now you can bundle any of your rentals, sale items, and services into one listing for a convenient way for a customer to book your services. Here is an existing bundle. We'll just take a look at it so you can see that it includes a few things from a previous listing that were related to graduation items. We've included a rentable graduation balloon garland, a rentable sequence balloon rental backdrop, and a rentable balloon bouquet. The bundle will tally all of those items, give you a subtotal, allow you to add a delivery charge, and give a final amount which you can then go ahead and offer a discount on if you choose to. So let's go ahead and create a bundle. This is going to be a graduation bundle, photography, and balloons bundle. And you can add whatever description you want to describe the whole package, but you can say something like enhance your photography session with fabulous grad balloons. This comes with XYZ. So this is where you really give an opportunity to expand on what you're offering as part of this overall listing, and then you'll be able to add existing listings to this so that the consumer can go ahead and click on those and see exactly what's being offered. Is traveling allowed? This is where you'll list the miles you're willing to travel from your business address location. So I'm going to say 50 miles. And then you do have to do a flat delivery price for this. You can't do a per mile price, so make sure you add a price that you're comfortable with. So I'm going to go ahead and say $50 as well. So next you can add listings to this bundle. So I'm going to go ahead and add a graduation photo shoot to this. You do have to select a time span, which is essentially how long the service is offered. So I'm putting the number 1 for 1 day. Flat fee. Okay, and then I'm adding another item to the bundle, which will be the graduation bouquet, which is set at a daily fee for 1 day. You can see the image here. You do need to select a main image for this overall listing, so I'm going to go ahead and click the image of the grad here. You can see that the 2 listings have been added, the graduation photo shoot for $500 for the day, and then this balloon bouquet. There's a delivery charge of $50, and then the total amount of $690. You can add a discount if you want. If you want to say there's a 5% discount for purchasing this bundle, which will save the consumer $32. So that's a great little bonus for them to go ahead and purchase the bundle together. I'm going to click Save. And then let's go ahead and go to Festively and see what that looks like. If I go under Newest, I should see our graduation photo here. And there you can see the 2 listings that are offered here. And the balloon bouquet. So when someone goes to reserve the bundle, they'll check availability and make sure that both the balloon bouquet and the photography services are available. And they can go ahead and add that. They can see that there's a discount there. They can go ahead and add that to their bag. And that's how you create a bundle.